they can join the firm. So that is it is an open scenario for them. Of course, we'll guide them firm to get more experience, or whether they will go and work with some corporate firms.
இன்ஜினியர்ஸ் வரைக்கும் இவங்க இந்த கோர்ஸ் பண்ணுறவங்களுக்கு ஆஃபர்ஸ் எந்த லெவலில் இருக்குங்க சார்?
எந்த விதத்தில் வந்து நம்ம இந்த காலேஜ் வந்து யூனிக்னஸ் சொல்லலாம் சார்? ஆர்கிடெக்சருக்கு ஏதாவது ஸ்பெஷல் வச்சுருக்கீங்களா நம்ம காலேஜை பொறுத்தளவுக்கு சொல்லலாமா சார்?
Sir, special as firms and architects, national level leading architects oda tie up பண்றோம். So basically practicing architects. So அவங்க வந்து they period of time so that we have exchange programs with international as well as national institutions, and we'll have study tours so that because studying the architecture of museums, so that will be our unique thing in taking it forward.
அட்மிஷன்ஸ் எப்போ ஸ்டார்ட்
Sir,
who is having the farm design, என்ன ஷேப்பில் இருக்கணும், என்ன மாதிரி இருக்கணும் அப்படிங்கிறத விஷுவலைஸ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு plenty of scope will be given. That means students will be given total, they can interact with them, studios are there, உட்காந்து வேலை செய்யலாம். Another important thing that we are planning to do is, as Professor Venkatesh was telling, the architect give real situation for building மாதிரி பண்றது. That means the architect students must be excellent team players with the structural team. They must involve the acoustic team, the lighting engineers, the facilities engineers. So the architect, and see that it is rather a commercial project, viable project. People are happy.
my name is architect K. Venkatesh Kumar. I am appointed as the principal of PSG Institute of Architecture and Planning. Inneki we have inaugurated the new institute. Inauguration was done by PSG Sons Trust Chairman Honorable Dr. Karthikeyan அவர்கள் வந்து இன்னைக்கு துவக்கி வச்சாங்க, along with trustee Mr. Gopal Krishnan. So, and along with me right now we have our PSG iTech principal Mr. Chandra Mohan and PSG iTech secretary Dr. Mohan Ram sir. So I would like to share this happy moment that PSG, one of the pioneer in technological education, has now got into another field of education in architecture. So that is a great moment for the city, for the entire region. So today we are starting with the new institute, and it will go for this academic session. Total intake approved by council is for 40. We recently got the Council of Architecture approval. So total 40 will be the intake now, and soon we will be getting into the admissions. Then what else?
Professor Venkatesh Kumar, we have 40 seats, out of which 26 will be filled by the counseling, Tamil Nadu counseling, and the balance 14 seats will be earmarked for management quota. And we have started getting inquiries for the management quota seats, and good number of people have responded, and many are from family of architects. Their children, they are very keen, and professors who are in the civil engineering field, their children are very keen to join architecture. And PSG Institute of Architecture and Planning will be one of the leading institutions with the PSG label that will help students to get the best architecture education in this particular part of the state. And I am sure that like PSG iTech, our PSG Institute of Architecture and Planning will be able to really meet all the expectations of students, parents and other stakeholders in receiving quality education, in ensuring that students are well brought up. That means independent thinking.